name is Tejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. My subject is Electrical and Electronics Measurement. Introduction. So subject name is Electrical and Electronics Measurement. Subject code is 22325. It has theory paper of 70 marks and minimum passing is 28. And it has internal practical which is of 25 marks. 25 marks for your term work. So total 50 marks. So it has 5 units. First is fundamentals of measurement, which is of for 10 marks. In this you will learn about what is measurement, what are different types of instrument, types of error. Then second chapter is measurement of voltage and current. It has total 12 marks, and in this chapter you will learn about PMMC instrument and MI instrument. MI instruments has two types, repulsion type and attraction type. Third chapter is for measurement of electric power, which is for 11 marks. In this chapter you will learn about electric power, measurement of electric power, that is about wattmeter. So wattmeter principle, different types of error which comes in wattmeter measurement. Then fourth chapter is measurement of electric energy. It has 11 marks. In this chapter you will learn about energy meter and its error. Fifth chapter is measuring instrument, which has more weightage as compared to other, which is 26 marks. And in this chapter you will learn about CRO, then Megger, earth tester, different types of measuring instruments which are electrical and electronics also. Next there is a practical list. So in measurement you have total 19 practicals. First is identify measuring instruments on the basis of symbols on dial, type, accuracy, class position and scale. Second, identify the components of PMMC and MI instrument. Third, troubleshoot PMMC and MI instruments. Fourth, measure AC and DC quantities in a working circuit. Fifth, extend range of voltmeter and ammeter by using shunt and multiplier CT and PT. So these are total 19 practicals which you will learn in this practical section in measurement. So this is the total introduction of the subject.